Hello, and welcome to ELAC Library's online workshop series. Today's presentation will be an introduction to the ELAC Library online. In this workshop, we're going to go over some resources that you have available to you while you're taking your ELAC classes online. First, I'll show you how to get help from library staff. Next, I'll show you how to access our library databases from off-campus. Next, I'll show you where to go to access customized research guides that are available 24/7. And finally, I'll show you where to go to access our online workshop options. While the ELAC campus and library are closed, library staff are still available behind the scenes to help you out. We have many ways to get in contact. First of which, you can chat with us live on our library homepage. So I'll show you how to get there. You can start by typing in library.elac.edu, and that will take you to our library homepage. In a couple of seconds when you're browsing, you'll notice a pop-up window off to the side. This is our Ask Us 24/7 Research Help chat. If you have any questions, we are available during our library hours, which are listed here on our library homepage. Outside of our regular library hours, you can still use this chat feature, but you won't be connected to an ELAC librarian. You may be connected to a librarian from another college. So if you ever have questions, you can always click Chat Now. You'll type your name, your contact information, select your department, whether it's research help, questions about your library account, or any tech help questions. Submit your question here, click Start Chat, and you'll be connected with someone who will help you live. You can also contact library staff on the phone or through email. So you can call or text us at the numbers listed on the screen, or you can email us elaclibrarycirculation@gmail.com for your library account questions, or library@elac.edu for any of your research help questions. Please give us about 1 business day to respond. While you're taking your classes online, your professors may still expect you to find credible sources of information for your research. Luckily, we have close to 80 different library databases that you as an ELAC student have access to. The databases contain a variety of information. We have ebooks you can browse. We have millions of articles ranging from scholarly peer-reviewed articles to popular news and magazine articles, all of which are available 24/7 using your ACE account login information. Here's a list of some of our more popular databases, and I'll show you now how to access them. First, you'll always want to start at the library homepage. Again, that's library.elac.edu. You'll never start at Google because Google does not recognize our ELAC subscriptions. So if you want to access the databases 24/7 for free, you'll always need to start here at the library homepage. Scrolling down, you'll see our one search box in the middle of the page, and this will search most of our databases at once. However, if you know the name of the database that you want to search, to access those databases individually, you'll click Find Articles and then click Databases. This will load a new page where you can see all of the library databases, and you'll even have the Ask Us 24/7 if you get stuck and need help. Again, here are our more popular article databases. But if you have a name of a database that your professor wants you to use, our alphabetical list is also here. So for example, say your professor wants you to use Psych Articles database. You can find it in the A to Z list, and once you click on it, before the database loads, you'll have to input your ACE username and password. So you do have to be a currently enrolled ELAC student to access these databases. If you ever forget your ACE username and password, the directions are here on the screen below. So for students, your ACE username is your student ID number, and your ACE password will be ELAC with a capital E and your 4-digit birth month and day. So for example, if you were born January 3rd, your password will be ELAC with the capital E 0103. Once you log in, you'll have access to the database. Next, let's go over our research guides, which are also available 24/7. Research guides are librarian-curated websites with helpful resources embedded within them. You can access them at our library's homepage, or you can see them directly at researchguides.elac.edu. Each research guide includes step-by-step research directions and handouts that you can either download or print to help you reach your research goal. Let's have a look at a few of them. Again, you can start at our library homepage. The link to our research guides is further down in the middle of the homepage, and you should see a light bulb icon with the text Research Guides. Click, and that will take you to a list of all of the research guides you have access to. You can see that the guides are listed in alphabetical order, and they range to subject guides like art, child development, Chicano studies, and English, to subject guides like how to do citation. If you click on any of those guides, you'll be taken to the guide, and most guides will have various tabs across the top. Notice you also will have the Ask Us 24/7 box. So while you're in the research guides, if you're still having trouble, you can always click Chat Now and ask for help. Finally, let's go over your online library workshop options. We have two different types of workshops you can take online. The first are 24/7 video workshops. These are videos that you can watch at any time of day or night, whenever you feel the need. You can take the workshop for credit or extra credit, and if you do so, make sure you fill out the accompanying online worksheet. Once you complete that online worksheet, you'll get an automatic email that lists your responses to the online worksheet. That email you can forward to your professor as your proof of completion. If you prefer to take workshops live in Zoom, we do have some options for that as well. For these workshops, you will need to sign up in advance in order to receive the link to the Zoom workshop. Again, if you're taking a live workshop for credit, you will still need to complete the online worksheet and forward your results to your professor as proof of completion. To get to the library workshops, you may already have guessed it, but yes, you'll start at the library homepage, and further down you should see an icon with a clipboard, a pencil, and the text that says sign up for workshops. Clicking on that link will take you to a guide that outlines the different workshop styles. So if you prefer the live workshops, again, that will be librarian guided and you'll have access to us to ask questions. Those live workshops you can register for using these links here. Let's say you're available Wednesdays at 12:30. You can click register. Have a look at the schedule. Select which days and times best fit your schedule. Sign up with your name and email address, and once you click register, the link to the Zoom workshop will be sent to your email address. If you prefer to take our 24/7 online video workshops, the link will be listed here, and that will take you to a page with our online video workshops. And you can see underneath the workshop is a link to the worksheet that you'll complete in order to receive proof of completion. The workshops are great for any student that feels they need a little bit of a research boost. So if you need help finding articles in databases, or if you need help citing your sources, have a look at our library workshops and you may find one that will be helpful to you. Now let's do a quick review of what we just learned. Don't forget, even though the physical library is open, library staff are available to help you. You can chat with us online, you can email us, you can call us, or you can text us. As a currently enrolled ELAC student, don't forget that you also have 24/7 access to our library databases off campus, and you'll always need to access them through our library homepage. Next, you also have 24/7 access to customized research guides that can give you step-by-step directions on how to do research in a specific subject. Lastly, if you need a little bit of a research boost, you can always take our library workshops, either the 24/7 online workshops, or you can register for a live Zoom workshop. If all else fails, make sure to bookmark our library homepage, library.elac.edu. This page, you can access help, you can access our workshops, our research guides, everything you need in order to be research ready, you can access from our homepage. As a bonus, feel free to follow us online for any updates. You can follow us at Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ELAC Library, and you can follow us on YouTube if you type in ELAC Library. If you're watching this workshop for credit or extra credit, be sure to complete the online worksheet at bit.ly/OLR form. Again, that's bit.ly/O L form. This link is case sensitive, so don't forget to capitalize the OLR. At this link, you'll be taken to the online worksheet. Once you submit your online worksheet, your responses will be automatically emailed to you, and you can forward those responses to your professor. Thanks for watching.